Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Montoya and this is discussion board number 7. The most important thing is showing humility, especially when public speaking. There are many reasons for this. One of the first ones is that you never know what someone else has experienced in their life. And the second one is that people are more likely to respond better to someone that they can relate to and respect. One of the things I believe I do well is showing my sincerity. I do a pretty good job of listening and showing passion behind other people's topics, and especially my own. I tend to be straightforward and try to accommodate everyone in every situation. One of the things I would like to improve is my energy. The more energy I can bring, the more people will stay interested. At times, it appears that I may lose people's attention, though, especially in a public speaking environment, especially when talking for a longer time. Three things I can do to improve my energy is preparing a message by knowing my audience to deliver the best ideas to them. Secondly, is getting involved in more public speaking engagements for more practice. And finally, is seeking feedback during and after the speech, whether it's observing nonverbals or talking to them after the speech. Thanks again. Bye.